Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's a historic morning globally because the UK voted to leave the EU. Ramifications are felt in the financial and trading markets, with the British pound sharply lower, the US dollar sharply higher. We're seeing crude sharply lower. Money is moving to gold. It's sharply higher. And the US stock market already hit some circuit breakers and is going to be sharply lower. So money is trying to get out of what was considered safe positions. Most people thought that the UK would vote to stay. And so now ramifications is just sitting down and seeing what this new country, this new position looks like. They'll have to renegotiate all trade agreements, and from an agricultural standpoint, it's not expected to have a big impact on world crop production, world trade, but since the dollar is sharply higher and the funds have near record positions long corn and soybeans, we could see fund managers get out of these positions, and the grains are sharply lower this morning. So it has nothing to do with weather, it has nothing to do with supply and demand. It may have everything to do with fund managers getting out of positions. As far as any other news, Brazil lowered their estimate of soybean exports to 54 million tons. The USDA is at 60. Argentina actually raised their soybean crop to 58 million tons. The USDA is 57. And the market is beginning to realize that the USDA is understating 15 and 16 U.S. corn and soybean exports and 16 and 17 soybean demand. So underneath the least soybean market, there is support because of the demand once this unraveling occurs. Overnight, most of the rains were in the Ohio River Valley. The 6 to 10 day and the 8 to 14 day weather map calls for normal rains in the south, below normal rains in the north. 11 to 15 days suggest normal temps and normal rains. So the trade is going to be watching about 25 to 30% of U.S. Midwest crop conditions that have missed the recent rains and look for dry conditions over the next 2 weeks. USDA could drop corn ratings 1 to 2% on Monday, but some, though, think that better crops that have seen the rains in Iowa, Illinois, Indiana, and Ohio could offset the drops in South Dakota. We'll be watching for the June 30th report. And yesterday, the funds were sellers of beans, meal, corn, and wheat, buyers of oil. And again, grains are sharply lower, probably because the fund managers getting out of positions because of the extreme trade in the outside financial, currency, and bond markets. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.